Adventure Jadd here, coming to you from the banks of the wild and mighty Blue River. This river is not blue, but it runs the length of the river that it runs in the riverbank to the beautiful reservoir known as Blue River Reservoir. Now, legend has it that Blue River Reservoir is home to the Blue River Makes You Shiver, which is a ghoul of a sort that makes you shiver and quake in your bones if you say the words Blue River, such a giver 3 times. Now, I don't believe in such nonsense, so let's give it a shot. Blue River, such a giver. Blue River, such a giver. Blue River, such a giver. Oh, no! Oh, 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 oh. This Jadd is broke.